Okay, breaking news is just coming in at the moment. Karnataka Chief Minister is chairing crucial meeting with State's Home Minister and other officials over the violence that took place on 11th of August in Bengaluru that killed 3 people. Home Minister Bommai has said that they will invoke the UAPA Act whenever necessary and that Gunda Act will also be considered. That's the latest coming in right there. Karnataka government mulling stringent laws to deal with these rioters. The Chief Minister is chairing a crucial meeting with the State's Home Minister and also the other officials that are present in this meeting. This entire meeting is called to discuss the violence that you remember, the mob violence that took place and the riots that happened in Bengaluru on 11th of August. Those riots took the lives of 3 innocent people. Home Minister Bommai has said that they will invoke the UAPA Act whenever necessary and that Gunda Act is also going to be considered. Nolan is now joining us live for the very latest on this in just about a bit, but some reactions coming in, so we'll play that out first.
Culprits of DGLD and KGLD, including invocation of Unlawful Activity Prevention Act, UAPA Act, which includes the act of terrorism and other things. Wherever it is necessary, we are going to invoke this UAPA Act also on the culprits. And a team of 3 special public prosecutors will be appointed for conducting the cases. The invocation of Gunda Act will be considered by SIT, that is CCB, in the cases wherein the provisions are attractive. In the meeting, to approach Honorable High Court for appointment of claim commissioners as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court for the purpose of assessment of the damages and cost to private and public property and for recovery from the culprits. This is as per the directions of the Supreme Court. Claim commissioner is necessary and we are approaching him as soon as possible so that the process of assessment and recovery from the culprits starts.
All right, Nolan Pinto is now joining us for the very latest. Nolan, I know the meeting has just begun, so you will not be able to update us with the plausible outcome of this particular meeting, but rather a very crucial meeting because it's happening with the Chief Minister, B.S. Yediyurappa, along with the Home Minister, who are taking stock of the situation and they are going to be now taking action against the perpetrators of this violence. Nolan?
In fact, the meeting just concluded, and that is when the Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai spoke to us.
Then you tell us.
He says that all senior officers, in fact, were...
Since you said the meeting is just concluded, why don't you bring us up to speed with what transpired? What is the plausible resolution that has been taken in this particular meeting?
Well, Chaiti, in fact, he came and spoke. All senior officers were present over there, right from your DG, IGP to Chief Secretary, even your Commissioner of Police in Bangalore. Now, all were present. Now, what he says is this. One, he says that the CCB is looking into this particular case. A special investigation team is already investigating this particular case. They will be appointing 3 special public prosecutors in order to go about with this. Now, more than 300 have already been detained and arrested. More than 73 FIRs have been registered. This is according to yesterday. But what the takeaway from this particular meeting is this, that the government is very, very clear that all those who have been booked will actually use the stringent UAPA Act and also in many cases the Gunda Act as well. Furthermore, he says that the police are going about this strictly by law. There will be no political undertones. But Chaiti, what is also important to note is this, that this particular issue actually came up because of social media, and he says that the government is mulling to regulate social media. He says that the government in the next few days will have meetings with tech chiefs or technical chiefs of various social media platforms. He very clearly says many a times issues can be are brought in on social media from abroad, and he also mentioned the Middle East that can actually provoke the people over here and create law and order, and that's why they're trying to regulate and also filter these. He says that there are present laws, we are trying to see if we can strengthen these present laws, but all that will happen in the next few days.
All right, leave it at that, Nolan. Thanks for bringing us up to speed with the latest.